been like a really miserable day outside. It's been raining all day and I cannot believe what time it is already. Today has gone by so fast. It's already the afternoon. I've got like a couple hours before my husband gets home, but look at this. This room is so messy. This is supposed to be my workroom. Look at how uncreative this creative workroom is. Even though I've been doing so much, and I kind of should not be making a video right now because there's so much to do. For today's video, we are gonna do sort of like a clean with me kind of video to get our lives organized, because I don't know about you, but I have so much going on in my life. I'm going for so many goals. I don't have time to worry about cleaning the house and not being creative because I see all this crap, all this stuff around, and it's just like, man, I'm just gonna pile this stuff on top of more stuff. Put it into organization? I got too much to do. So that's what we're doing today. In the second part of Organize My Life, we are organizing the office. Organizing the creative room to get life back on track, and when it comes to getting work done over here, or writing stuff down here, oh my goodness, so much stuff. No one's sitting there until this gets cleaned. All right, let's get to it. But before we do, let's take a look at what we're working with. So this table is supposed to be empty and clear. We have some electronics on there. Why are there skateboarding things for your knees? I don't know, they don't belong there. A shoebox, that doesn't belong there. Duster for the computer, no. This, okay, like, we're making video right now, so I'll accept that, but they need to go in a closet elsewhere. This room needs to be empty. That backpack is empty, why is it here? You know, this looks kind of okay. It's a little, I don't know what to do with all of those wires, but we'll figure it out. And then this needs to be organized, like empty boxes and things I'm keeping because I have electronics just in case we need to return them or something happens. I have the boxes and the receipts. So all these things, it needs to go. This has to go in the room, the other room. This does not fit on this wall. And so yeah, this does not belong here. So let's just get all this stuff going and make life so much more easier and organized. Doesn't that sound good? All right, let's get to it, girlfriend, boyfriend, yeah. All right, so all the stuff on the couch needs to go first. Basically, those two were just photo things, so they don't even belong in this room. Now I'm just going through some boxes. They're empty. They're legitimately empty. Some of them can be thrown away, but then the other ones, we want to keep them because, you know, we have that equipment if we ever need them. So we're one of those people. So I'm just going to put all the things that we are keeping their boxes for underneath the couch in a neat way so you don't even see it, but it's nearby if we do need it. And now I'm just going through trash, throwing things away. The couch is almost done. Look at how nice that looks already, and that didn't even take that much time at all. Just put the books somewhere else. I'm gonna put them on that table over there and make them look neat and nice, and that couch is done. Like, it's basically done. Putting the photos in the other room. And now I'm just moving everything else that doesn't belong in here, and that dry erase board doesn't belong in this room, doesn't fit, so I'm putting it in the other room, and basically, seriously, that's about it. Alright, this ugly covered couch, oh, and this little thing here. Okay, the couch is cleared off. I can sit in this now. This looks kind of bare, but you know, that's okay. At least this is now what you can use it for. It's a couch. It's meant to be sit on. You can lay on it. You can write down notes and things I think of. Okay, let's tackle that table next. It should be pretty easy. Let's just get to it. All right, now it's time for this gross looking covered table. I did not realize that I had a string, oh well, for my shirt, but seriously, just got rid of some things that did not belong in this room, put them in their right places, and the table's already getting cleared off. Look at how nice it looks when you just take a couple minutes to actually take the time to take stuff off instead of piling stuff on and making a mess for yourself. Look at how nice. Okay, so I thought that I could stack these books, you know, like make them look nice, but they kind of just fell over. So I'm just doing my best here to make it stay on that table. And my little knickknacks, and that table is good to go. Now, these wires, I don't know what I'm gonna do with all these wires, but just move the microphone aside. There's that string again. Man, I am looking very pregnant here. Anyways, just putting everything where they belong. The compartment at the bottom, put the microphone, the shields, the headphones, they all belong there. Put them all there nicely. Alright, so that feels so much more better in here. I know this room's kind of a little bit echoey, sorry about that. But look at how much more clean this room is. Oh man, oh. And to be quite honest, this is kind of a small room. So with everything how it is, everything is out and spread like how it should be, this room actually feels bigger than what it did just like a half hour ago. This didn't take that much time to do. And I moved some things around so it doesn't look exactly the same as how I just showed you. But things are very organized now. And the wires, I need to work on what to do with wires. Maybe we'll tie them together or something, but besides the wires, everything else is nice and organized. Nothing isn't where it shouldn't be. And yeah, well, except for these lights. Once we're done with this video, these lights, they're going in the closet. So yeah. I'm very happy and pleased with how this came out. Seriously, moral of today's story is this. Even though you got a lot to do, even though things seem like they're really complex and complicated and it will take you a long time, if you just tackle it and just do it and just don't do anything else, just do it, you can get your things done in like 20 to 30 minutes or less if you have helpers. This did not take that much time. I did it all by myself. I feel so much better. I can sit on this couch and I don't have to worry about tomorrow or the next day about where am I putting my stuff. I know, hey, that desk, this is how I'm using it. That computer desk, nothing goes on it except for this stuff here. That desk, this is just for working on with the laptop. And take it from there because I took the time to clean all this stuff and I don't want to do it again. So hopefully you guys got inspired and motivated to clean your stuff too and stop just saying, yeah, you know, I'll do it tomorrow. Because when you say, yeah, you know, I'll do it tomorrow, it'll be a week, 2 weeks, a month, and you'll have even more of a mess and it'll be more complicated and your life will be more stressful when you actually have to clean it, or you won't clean it. And I don't know about you, but like looking at the stuff really made me not motivated to work. Having a clean environment makes me want to be like, okay, all I gotta do, go on my laptop, go work on the blog, go edit a video, go record a mini podcast, go do whatever. Things are already where they need to be. I don't gotta worry about doing anything else. I just gotta do what it is I came in this room to do, and that's it. So nice, so good. Hope you guys like this Organize My Life Part 2 vlog of goal getting. And yeah, I really hope that you guys start taking the actions towards making your life better too, and whatever it is for you. But when it comes to organizing your life, especially where you live, and especially if you work from where you live, you gotta make sure that you keep things tidy. This way, you're just motivated to continue on with your goals and not get sidetracked with extra stuff that gets in your way, because things will get in your way if you make your life messy. So get a little bit more organized. Doesn't take that much time. Okie dokie. I'll see you guys in Friday's video for melodies and motivation. And I hope you have a nice day, that you keep on being who the heck you are, who you roar, not just talking about it, but just take the little badass baby steps of actions towards becoming what it is that you dream about. And until next time, I am working on a free ebook coming out to you guys for motivation. So please make sure to hit the ring bell when you do subscribe so you do get notified of when the heck my next video comes out. Coming out probably in the next week or two, maybe 2 weeks. Doing my best, get it done. And yeah, see you next time. Instagram, all of those links below. I made a whole bunch of things down below. So yeah, bye.